In this episode of Viral Rewind, we're going to look at the Miss-D virus for DOS. So let me go into the temp directory where we've got it located. And we see it's 1,460 bytes. If we run Miss-D, we get this little ABCD. This is a 100-byte COM test file from 1994. So this is the infected program that includes the Miss-D virus code. Now it is a file infector, and we've got two .coms and two EXE files that we can sacrifice there to show its infection routine. So Miss-D is in memory, so it will infect .com files, but we'll see that it will not infect any .exe files. So if we look at sys.com, well, actually I don't even have to really do the directory command because all the sizes are there. So we can already see it's 11,472. If I run sys, it loads it, and now that should be infected. So now it grows to 12,832 bytes. We can do the same thing with format.com. 22,987 uninfected. If we run it now and look at it again, it's now 24,347 bytes. So both format.com and sys.com now carry the Miss-D viral code in them. And of course we'll help propagate it if we run those infected programs and run other .com files. Now again, Miss-D will not infect any .exes. So we should have xcopy there. Xcopy is 17,087 bytes by itself. We run xcopy and look at it. It's still the same size. We got mem as well. And mem is still the same 20,133 byte size. So it'll infect the .com files, won't do anything with the .exes. So of course let's get on to Miss-D's payload. So whenever the date falls on December 10th of any year, we'll get Miss-D's payload. So let me go ahead and restart the computer, and then we'll be able to see that because I got to get the computer booted into this new date to see the payload. So we rebooted the computer and booted into the December 10th date for the Miss-D payload. So then we go back to the temp directory, and for this we'll just go ahead and run one of the infected.com files. We know format was one of the infected files. And now that Miss-D is loaded and running in memory again, it will still infect .com files, but now its payload will run, and its payload has the computer basically missing every third D character input. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So every third D character that is input from the keyboard doesn't register on the computer. It ignores it completely. So, as some might say, the computer is unfortunately missing the D every third time. It wants the D, it misses the D, it wants it, but it's not having it. So every third D character, Miss-D causes it to be ignored, and it doesn't get printed. So this can make using things like the directory command or trying to change directories can get very troublesome. So really, that's all there is to the Miss-D virus. It infects .com files when it's run, and when it gets to December 10th, then it starts interfering with the D letter on the keyboard, missing it every third keystroke. So that's Miss-D for you.